We got a special one on the Upper West Side. It is a completely redone apartment facing south, corner unit too. So these are two of the best things that I love to hear. Corner units facing south, you have an open kitchen. A lot of people put up cabinetry and it kind of defeats the purpose of the open kitchen. This was completely done, not only done, but you also have this area right here, which has a nice washer dryer, which was actually the original kitchen. You also have the little vaulted ceilings, which are very unique in these style co-ops up here on the Upper West Side. You're facing south. Again, you have completely wide open views over here. Townhouses, 5 stories. The owner actually said that it comes about 10 to 15 feet. All the sun comes in. She said when it's really bright, she actually has to close the blind. And what's nice about the street is it's not a lot of traffic on here. So when you're actually going to sleep, when you're actually eating, when you're entertaining, there's no one around. Completely separate, which is really nice. You have a split bedroom over here. You'll see the primary first. You have a nice closet over there. And again, what did I say? Corner unit facing south and west. So you're going to be teeming with light over here coming down as the sunset. And this is just wide open view. Obviously it's an overcast day, but in general, you have a king size bed. You have a dresser right here. You have a closet here, ensuite bath that was completely redone. Please get a picture of that, which is nice. And there's a full size window in there. You have pretty much everything that you need when it comes to dining in the home. It's a full-time doorman building. It's very popular. There's inventory goes off like that. Once it comes on the market, comes off. Here's your very generous sized second bedroom as well. You have a wall of closets that could be built out right here, which is really nice. The original flooring, just sand it down, bring it back to life. 2 double wide windows. Again, it actually has a decent view. Once you clear that building right here, again, an ensuite bath and full shower, end up completely done as well. So if you're looking for a 2-bed, 2-bath, full-time doorman, literally 1 block from the subway, you have everything on Broadway, and call me, Charles Botenston. We'll get you in to check this out.